But I still dig a YouTube. I'm back. Even though I never left. Y'all gotta be honest with y'all. Some of y'all are annoying, man. I mean, I don't want to be rude or anything, because I mean, I love my subscribers, but some of y'all, I leave for a week and y'all are like, where are you? Like, dude, I put a video up 2 weeks ago. Haven't gone anywhere. But anyway, hello YouTube, it is Crank Inc, the infamous. Okay, let's not get gay. It's Crank Inc 54. Back with a pickups video. It hasn't really been a while. I just put a video up about my hair like a couple weeks ago, but I guess on the clothes and stuff it has been a while. So anyway, just up with pickups. I got 2 new hats and 2 new pair of tennis shoes for all of you people that like clothes and shoes and stuff. Whatever. Anyway, let's just get into the video, man. I don't know what I should show you first, the hats or the shoes. So I think I'm gonna go with the hats first. I'm gonna start off with boom, Hooters snapback. What? Where do you find a Hooters snapback? Oh my god. Green bottom, Hooters on the front, obviously, although you can't really see it because I got my camera backwards or whatever. The brand was like KC. I don't know what that means. Let me take this off. This is my Magics. Y'all seen that. See how it looks like on the head. Fly, right? Very fly. I dig it. It's a pretty cool hat. It was flat when I got it, man. I got it from like a little thrift store. It was kind of flat when I got it, but it was cool though. I just washed it and set it up. I'm gonna make a video on how to restore hats pretty soon, one of these days. I don't want to make this video too long because that's gay, so let's just get to the next thing. I may not have this hat for very long, and I'll tell you why right now. Since I know my friend's gonna watch this video, since now all of my friends watch my videos, it's kind of weird. Anyway, if my friend trades me with his bull snapback for this Hooters one, then I may not have this one very long. Yeah, but he should trade me for this hat since I know he's gonna see the video. All right. Next hat is. Wait, I said I was gonna get this hat in like a video that I put up like 2 months ago, and I finally got one. A scripted Raiders hat. Oh my god. Oh my god. Green under brim, black snap. The holes in the top are gray though, which is pretty fly. If you can see it, like inside of the Raiders, let me if I can be still for a second. It has black lining on the inside of the Raiders script. It's pretty fly. It's the brand is Reebok. It's pretty cool. Oh god, what the oh crap. Dust already. You just hate when you get dust on your hats. It's gay. I love this hat. I'm gonna keep this hat on for the rest of the video actually. Raiders. Turn it back. Black snap. I'm probably gonna get Raiders going across the top of it right here this week. I'm gonna go to the man on this little dude that does like embroidering and stuff and get him to do it. He got my friend. He lives in Canada. It's a little store that I found him up there. If any of y'all are in the Toronto area, up in Canada, anybody watch my videos? I'm in Toronto. It's a store called Snapback and Goods. I don't know the actual address. I can put the website link in the description if that helps. If any of y'all want to just go there and shop, or no, if y'all are up in the Toronto area, y'all want to find out. Really, I could just Google Snapback and Goods. It's a store. It just opened, and yeah, they got pretty good prices. But anyway, onto the shoes. I don't want to. I got a pair of Vans and a pair of Adidas. I do the Adidas first. These have yet to wear them. I've had them for about like 3 weeks now. These are the Jamaican Superstars. Anybody know anything about Adidas? I used to always want Adidas. Like when they first, like I used to want some, but then everybody started wearing Superstars, and I was like, it's gay now. So I stopped wearing them. But then my dad sent them for me, so I like them. 10.5. Pretty fly shoe. Not very comfortable. Not really. None of my Adidas are comfortable. I got to be honest, but it's a pretty cool shoe. I think you can. I don't know if you can really find these. I don't know where you got them from, but they're pretty fly. I like those. I haven't worn them yet, but I'll probably try to wear them sometime this week. Next shoe, which is my favorite shoe right now. Another pair of Vans. These are my wingtip eras. I thought that a lot of people was gonna have them because they had just came out, but really, I got back to school and nobody had them. So, like the weekend after school started, I bought them. I got them on sale though for like 40 or 35. I don't know. They're originally like 60. These are like really comfortable. I can't really lie. Like the inside, the sole is like the softest. Like it seems like I'm walking on clouds, and like the leather is leather actually, and it's like the softest leather ever. Like I swear, if anybody wants some shoes that won't crease, you should get these. You can find them at like Journeys or I don't know. Yeah, you can find them at Journeys or on the internet anywhere. Probably those are like my favorite shoes right now. I think that's it for pickups really. I got this shirt. Oh, this jacket, my jean vest. It was originally a jacket. Let me show y'all. It was originally a jacket, but I chopped it up and then I did this stuff to it because I wanted the pockets to be kind of destroyed, and I cut the sleeves off, and now it's just pretty fly. So yeah, pretty fly deal. I don't know what else to say. To anybody that's like knows me, because I know people that know me are gonna watch my videos. Y'all are weird, and I hate all of you. I really hate y'all. Y'all are annoying sometimes. Anyway, but comment, rate, subscribe, thumbs up, like. Shout outs to everybody that follows me on my Twitter now. Oh crap, I know what I'm missing. I can't remember his name. I think your name is SL Carter. I think that's your name. Yeah, SL Carter. He made a video about me on the Snapbacks and stuff. Shout out to you, bro. You're the coolest, no homo. You really need to send me that Raiders hat in the mail though. It's fly as fuck. I like it. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to Milo's Rock, my friend. Everybody go subscribe to both of them. I'm gonna put both of them in the description box so y'all can go subscribe to my niggas. New videos coming soon later on. Raiders, Hooters, Adidas, and Vans. We stay fly till we mother die. Alright, this is getting gay now. So I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Crankgang54 is out. Follow me on my Twitter at ALAW_94. I'm putting it right here. Alright, deuces. And sorry for the long video. Alright, God bless.